So good evening. Today we are going to do wet pack, the simplest, effective and best natural way to detox your body from Yoga City. So I want you to explain you how it goes. This is very just dip and drink, wrap and detox. Ever wondered by why a piece of wet cloth was kept on our forehead during fever in childhood? Because application of the Thandi patti means cold helps to quickly cure fever, cough, cold. But we never knew that when applied in the particular way as a wet pack, it has many more benefits too. What is a wet pack? It is a set of cotton cloth which is used after soaking in cold water or in ice water for wrapping on specific parts of the body. What is used? The root cases of every chronic diseases is the accumulation of waste inside the body. The wet pack is simply a very effective method to get rid of toxins from the body, and thus it helps relieving various diseases. The benefit of wet pack, this application of wet pack reduces a temperature of some of the body parts where the cold strip is applied as compared to other body parts where the cold strip is not applied. This difference is in the temperature leads to increase in the blood circulation, which helps waste clots, toxins, etc. to leave their place, finally exit through the stool and urine. The cold strip applied on an abdomen helps to cure all form of indigestion, including constipation and bloating, acidity, ulcers and colitis, stomach pain, many more. It also helps in getting rid of excess fat accumulated around the abdominal region. Problem like tonsil, thyroid, throat infection can be relieved by the cold strip applied on the neck. Wrapping a cold strip around the forehead helps cure headache, migraine, anxiety and other mental disorders. It is simple and natural method to quickly cure primary diseases like fever and cough, cold, diarrhea. It is very effective way to detox the body. How is it used? Very simple. Let's have a small steps. Take a big cotton strip and two small cotton strips. If you have a house, you can use it. Otherwise, you can cut a piece of the cotton. Otherwise, you can buy from the online or we can send you also. These take one big cotton strip and two small cotton strips. Dip them in a beadle like cold water and squeeze out excess water. Wrap up a big cotton strip around the abdomen such as that half of it lies above the navel and half of below it. Tuck it properly so that it does not fall off. And wrap one small cotton strip around your forehead. Tuck it from the head. That also should does not fall off again. Okay. Similarly, wrap up other small cotton strip around the neck. Okay. Let it be applied for 30 to 40 minutes. Okay. So, which is a very important I want to say the more points must be remembered. It can be applied before after a meal. However, it is advised not to eat or drink anything while it has been applied. Okay, cloths can be worn over at the daily. Chores can be done while applying it. In winter, normal tap water, if it is a bearably cold, can be used soak cotton strips and warm scarf or any other warm cloth can be wrapped over it if needed. It is more effective if followed by an enema after 1 hour since toxins circulated by wet pack can be easily exit through stool during the enema. It is recommended to apply all the three strips together for the best result. Initially, it must be applied once, preferably in the morning or twice a day, regularly for 21 days, and then once or twice a week, every week. While suffering from cough, cold, fever, and diarrhea and indigestion, vomiting, stomachache, any other acute diseases, it must be applied 3 to 4 times a day for quick recovery. It can also be applied during the menstrual duration or during the pregnancy. It is completely safe for kids too. Even kids also can be. And how else can it be used? Stimulating the abdominal wet pack during the cold weather. In case of very weak patient, wrap up scarf or any other warm cloth over the wet strip. Local cooling pack in case of the pain or discomfort in the any body parts due to the boils or wounds or burns, stings, sores, ulcer, sprains, fractures or any other the reason a local wet pack can be applied. This involves a simple application of the wet cotton strip over the region of pain for 30 to 40 minutes. It is recommended to wrap up a cold strip around the abdomen too along with the local wet pack. Alternative hot and cold pack. This can be used in case severe pain in some parts of the body. Takes two small ball and fill one end with cold water, other with the hot water. Cold and hot in the taken should be barely. Soak the cotton cloth in the warm water first. Squeeze it to get rid of excess water and apply it the region of the pain. After the 1 minute, dip another cotton strip in the cold water, squeeze and apply over the affected region. After removing the previous strip, repeat this process for 50 minutes. In the end, apply cold pack over the region of the pain for the 20 to 30 minutes. This helps release pain quickly by increasing the blood circulation and getting rid of toxins. So, are there any precautions, contraindication? Water used for soaking strips should be not be unbearably cold. A wet pack should be not be applied while doing the pranayama as lungs cannot be spread well during its application. Two versions of the best quality wet packs, simply and extended, are available on our many online portal, or we ensure to provide you the most suitable Sattvic lifestyle at the best prices. Our workflow involves in the depth knowledge and rigorous research, carefully simply and repetitive testing by various parameters before finalizing any resource, because of the our primary goal is to help maintain good health naturally. Thank you. And any more detail you can call as Yoga City. More detail. Thank you and welcome.